Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some hidden features available on OPPO A60 that you might find interesting. So, the first thing that I want to show you is the trial versions of system updates. So we can go to the settings, and then over here we can go to about device, and over here we can tap on color OS at the top, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and over here we have beta program. If you go over here, if there is any trial version available, then you should be able to select it over here and install on your device. Another thing that I want to show you is the RAM expansion. So we're gonna actually go back to the about device information, and next we want to tap on RAM over here in order to open the RAM expansion. Make sure that this option is enabled, and then you can choose the expansion. So you can choose 4 GB, 6 GB, and 8 GB. If you want to apply these changes, then you need to restart your device. Alright, so now that we have this in common, we're gonna choose not now, I don't want to restart now. Then we also have a cool animation that doesn't really do anything, but it is definitely hidden. It might not be obvious, so we're gonna go to Android version, and now we need to tap several times on Android version, and we will see this Android 14 logo. Like I said, it doesn't do anything, and we cannot really do much except going back, but it is definitely a hidden feature and probably not many people know about this. And then what I need to show you is the developer mode. In order to enable developer options, we need to once again go to about device. This time we're gonna go to version, and you want to keep tapping on version number, and then you will need to enter the lock screen password. So I'm gonna draw my pattern, and now we'll see the information. You are now a developer. If we go back, then choose additional settings and scroll all the way down, we will find developer options, and here we have lots of hidden options that we can readjust, enable, or disable. Pretty cool. The next thing that I want to show you is the schedule power off, which is also in additional settings, and this mode allows you to automatically turn on your device at certain time of the day, as well as automatically turn off your device. So if you want to power off your device at specific time, then you can do this by selecting when and at what time. Pretty cool. Then we're gonna go to battery options, and over here what we can do is go to battery usage details. Over here, of course, we have the list of all apps that are using the battery the most. We have it sorted by the percentage of usage, but we can also tap optimize battery usage in order to find tips, all of which is of course optional. However, if you want to extend the battery life, then you can select what you want to do. So we can, for instance, change the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz. We can turn off location service. We can enable auto brightness, change auto screen off time, and close battery draining apps, and turn on dark mode. Over here, we can also see what is already optimized. And like I said, everything over here is optional. If you want to confirm something, then you want to tap on this square on the right side, and then choose power, save power option. Let's go back to the battery settings. Over here we can also go to power saving mode, and here we have super power saving mode. If you enable this option, then you will reduce the usage of battery to the maximum. However, as you can see, it also turns off pretty much everything. We have access only to several apps, and we cannot really do that much. And this is used only to maximize, to fully maximize the usage of, or actually minimize the usage of battery, to maximize its life until the next charge. And if you want to exit it, this ultra or super power saving mode, then you need to press this button in the top left corner and then confirm that you want to exit it, and then you will go back to the normal mode. Last but not least, if you once again go to settings and then choose apps, then over here you have app cloner that allows you to duplicate apps and use, for instance, 2 accounts, 2 WhatsApp accounts or 2 Facebook accounts at the same time. Also, if you go over here and tap on the slider to create app clone, you can change the name of the clone and what should happen when you use quick functions. And of course, these clones can be found in the home screen. We can also tell the difference between them. Over here, for instance, I have the original WhatsApp, and over here I have the cloned version. They work the same way. The difference is that over here and over here I can have two different accounts and I can use them at the same time. So without having to log out and log in all the time, I can use two accounts. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!